www.gibsontruckworld.com 2005 Ford F-250 Lariat Crew Cab Long Bed Power Stroke Diesel riding on 4 brand new Nittos. With 1-year bumper-to-bumper warranty, backup sensors, adjustable pedals, dual power leather seating, 6-disc CD changer, wood grain interior trim, sliding rear window, keyless entry touchpad, alarm, running boards, towing package, PW, PDL, and PM. This Ford F-250 has the power, performance and style to match its dominating presence. Gibson is the only dealer that gives a real free 12-month bumper-to-bumper warranty valid across the continental United States, 12 months free maintenance from our 23-bay service department with our exclusive 15-day return policy. Honest, reliable, loyal, we are the king of trucks. Engine performance diagnostics tests, EGR engine,